Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to activate a SIM card that is deactivated. But first, check out our link software in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to activate a SIM card that's recently been deactivated, well, there are a few things that we need to keep in mind here. Now, typically, if you just deactivated a SIM card slot inside your phone, well, you can re-enable that. So how do you do it? So first things first, you want to go to your settings. Inside settings, you want to look for mobile networks. And under mobile networks, you want to go ahead and select the SIM card. So in my case, I have two SIM card slots here. So I'm going to use or press one of them. Let's go and press on one of them. And in here, you should see the turn on option. So you want to go and just toggle the turn on option here. And once you toggle it, it's going to say stop using SIM card. You can go and click on OK. But again, if you already have this turned off, you can go and just click on it again, and it will ask you if you really want to turn it on. And once you turn it on, you should be able to start using that SIM card again. Now, if your SIM card unfortunately has been deactivated due to not being used, like not buying load or balance for your SIM card, you're not using it for calls or even for messages, well, your SIM card would typically expire. So usually it's around like 3 months of not using it. So if that actually happens, what you need to do is you may need to provide, or you may want to contact your provider. So it depends on where you're from. So if you're in the Philippines, you may want to contact Globe or Smart, or if you're from Australia, you may want to contact your provider. It may be Optus or something else. So again, the best option for to reactivating your SIM card is by contacting support if your SIM card actually expired or has been deactivated due to inactivity. So currently, this is the only way for you to basically activate your SIM card, and that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.